Alright guys, I have this 2006 Chrysler PD Cruiser. This car came with the issue of crank but no start, and this car has 145,000 kilometers on it. So I did all the diagnosing on each and everything, like every possible causes, camshaft and spark plugs and everything. But don't forget, just to let you know guys, don't forget to check the timing belt. So there's gonna be a small this cover on it. You have to just remove it, and somebody has to crank it. And if you crank and this timing camshaft doesn't spin, that means your timing belt ripped off and it's not on the cam. So before doing anything, always check this thing, because this has the common problem in these cars. After 110, 140, 50,000, it gives these kinds of issues. So don't forget to check this thing first before you go for anything else. Alright, see you guys with another video.